Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're at my favorite spot. Yeah, I like hanging out with these guys. So just because I don't own the Mustang anymore doesn't mean we ain't gonna have some fun out here at Auto Mafia. So decided to bring the car out here. We're gonna put it on the dyno with Caleb just to see what it does. Baseline tune before I tune it, just to see the differences and what's it gonna make before and after the tune. We're not loading the tune today because well, technically I'm still waiting on the tune. It's taking a little longer than I expected, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go see what the car makes. I'm assuming 350-ish wheel. So that's, you know, they're rated, they usually rate a little higher than what they are. It's also stupid hot right now, so it might not even make that. But I'm excited to see what the car makes. Caleb's excited, he's never messed with any of these cars before. So we'll go in there and set up dyno mode, because you gotta put these things in dyno mode basically. And then we go from there. All right guys, so I'm excited, let's get this going. Alright guys, first pull, he's gonna do it right now. We had to get the car in dyno mode, so we're gonna try it. Let's see what it does. Like I said, I'm not expecting, I don't know, 350-ish, I guess. I'll be happy with that. I mean, completely, it's not stock, but it is. I mean, those intakes really don't do anything. I just bought it because I like the sounds, that's it. The exhaust might open it up a little bit, but it still hasn't. Six is 101. Yeah, maybe. Let's see how she sounds too. She look good though, goddammit. God, I want my wheels. My wheels show up. This thing looks so good. Ooh, I got something special for y'all. Pretty much what I thought it would make. Look at it, 345, 393. Oh, he's corrected it now. That's not bad. They stock car in this heat. Not bad at all. Going another one. There it is, guys. Quick pull. It's pretty consistent. But clearly, these cars are underrated from the back, which everybody knew that.
Right.
record. 357, 406, 354, 414. And this heat, I'm happy as hell with that. And it sounds good. This car sounds so good. So it's gonna be close. It'll be close. It'll be close, Cody. You got it. I really do like it.
Man, they look better in person than they do in person.
They do. They do. When these cars first came out, it was honestly I loved everything about the car except for the front end.
Yeah,
the front end was kind of like
kind of like BMW C3 kind of look, but you see the person, you just don't notice it.
Yeah,
it's low.
It's low. Yeah, these cars are low stock, and then my dumbass went and lowered it more.
I mean, I like it. It looks good. I can't wait to see it on the new wheels.
Oh, the wheels are gonna look so good.
Yeah, it's awesome. We're gonna take it.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I want to tune this damn thing so bad already. Oh man. Caleb's gonna take it for a rip. He ain't driven one. He wants to drive it. I want to hear it. Oh, you gotta put in sport. Put in sport. There it is. Yeah. You better than me. I'd be ripping for the first second. Oh man, that was fun. So what do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
It says the Raptor's faster.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
We just threw a tune on the Raptor, so it is down now. Man, no, it's nice.
Oh, it's really nice.
It's got good torque. It feels
Yeah,
good.
Yeah.
I'm a fan. I'm really a fan of the downshift burble.
Yeah.
It's smooth, but you can also still feel it, right?
Yeah.
You still feel the power.
It's a torquey car.
Yeah.
It's very.
And it gets it to you down low.
Yeah, for sure.
I'd have to say the only thing for me is I feel like it has such a tiny windshield that you can't
Yes.
see
Yeah.
very well.
The small windshield. That took me a minute to get used to too. It makes the car feel a little cramped inside.
The B/C pillar is huge.
Yeah, that's every damn car.
Yeah.
That's every damn car these days.
It is.
It's all for safety.
Unless you have a truck.
Yeah, that's why you get
Yeah.
so used to driving something.
Yeah, you can drive around that and be like this. What the hell? No.
They go very well together. Though.
I just asked him, I said, can we trade in the Miata for a Supra? And he goes, yeah, because that's a trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's trade the little blue Miata for a Supra.
That's about the same size.
Only a little bigger.
I think it works. I think it's a fair trade.
Thanks for bringing it down.
No,
Yeah,
thank you for putting it on the dyno. It was fun, man.
Hey, I've been wondering.
Yeah. It did better than I thought it was gonna do.
Yeah.
For basically stock car.
Well, it was basically what, 350, 375? Is that
Yeah,
what it was?
yeah. No shit. One had over 400 torque on there.
Oh yeah. There you go. Yeah, it was like 350, 400.
Yeah.
That's what it was. Yeah. Heck yeah, man. Awesome. All right.
All right, guys. So there it is. I want to thank my guy here, out of Mafia, Caleb. Always doing me right. So have a little fun. Just put the car on dyno, see what it does. He had a little rip. He enjoyed the car. So definitely gonna be back soon. We got pickup. We got a major pickup to pick up, and then we'll see what it does after tuning downpipe. So excited, guys. Excited. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think on the stock power of the Supra. See what, not bad. I don't think it's bad for, basic stock car. So we'll see y'all later. Bye.